हरि करना।
So far, we have seen systems that act like human, think like human, and then they also think rationally. So now we will discuss about the systems that act rationally. So the concept of creating systems that act rationally is an area of research in artificial intelligence AI called agent-based AI. Agent-based AI, or you can also call it as a decision decision theoretic decision theoretic AI. So the idea is to build machines that can make rational decisions based on their observations of the world and their goals. So the rational action involves selecting the best course of action based on the available information and the desired outcome. So AI systems that act rationally use decision making algorithms to determine the best course of action given the current state of the world. So let's see, systems that act rationally, we call it as a rational agent or agent based AI or decision theoretic AI. So rational behavior means doing the right thing irrespective of any condition, any situation. You have to do the right thing, doing the right thing. So the right thing here means in human context, the right thing definition changes. Okay. In right thing here means that which is expected to maximize goal achievement. That which is expected to maximize your margin. That which is expected to give the maximum output. That's which is expected to give the maximum reward. That's which is expected to give maximum return on investment. So that's what we call it as a right thing here. So the right thing which is expected to maximize goal achievement given the available information. So rational behavior is the doing the right thing, and the right thing is expected to, which is nothing but is expecting to maximize goal achievement given the available information. So giving answer to questions is also an acting, obviously. So I don't care whether a system replicates human thought processes or makes the same decisions as humans or uses purely logical reasoning in this. Purely logical reasoning in this. So, systems that act rationally. So, logic. What does a logic mean? Logic only a part of a rational agent, not all of rationality. So sometimes logic cannot reason a correct conclusion. That's what the issue when it comes to the when you deal with a human. So sometimes logic cannot reason a correct conclusion. So in that case, at that time, in that case, some specific in domain human knowledge or information is also used. See, it is a logical, it's a rational. In addition to that, it's going to use some specific human knowledge or information. So thus it covers more generally different situations of problems. So compensate the incorrectly reasoned conclusions also. It would be very powerful tool if it has ever built. So study AI as a rational agent. So there are two advantages of it. One is it is more general than using logic only. If you use just logic, so it's very difficult to handle a lot of things. Even if you even if you need to communicate and take some decision based on the human conversation, obviously it's very difficult to do it because logic doesn't work because human is not a rational. Human is a not a rational being, is a irrational being. Okay, so that's the reason a logic plus domain knowledge both is required. So and second advantage, it allows extension of the approach with more scientific methodologies. So rational agents, now this is the main aspect, we call them as a rational agents, the systems. So an agent, who is agent first? Agent. An agent is an entity that perceives and acts. He perceives or receives and acts on top of it. So this course is about basically designing rational events. So abstractly, an agent is a function from percept histories to actions. So this is what the example that you can see: P, perception and action back. So for any given class of environments and tasks, we seek that agent with the best performance. So caveat: computational limitations make perfect rationality unachievable. That's the main problem. So the computational limitations are presently stumbling blocks to achieve the perfect rationality. So one of the main challenges in creating systems that act rationally is modeling and decision making process. AI systems need to be able to reason about the consequences of different acting and weigh the benefits and costs of each option. So this often requires a great deal of domain specific knowledge and expertise. That's where the problem comes. So in addition to that, another challenge is dealing with uncertainty and incomplete information. Real world situations are often complex and ambiguous, and AI systems need to be able to handle this uncertainty to make effective decisions. So there are several applications for AI systems that act rationally, including autonomous vehicles. Very, very important. Autonomous vehicles, robotics, and intelligent assistants. So these systems are designed to make decisions and take actions in real time based on their observations of the environment.